Nakita namin kanina na nag-uusap about yung sa Refa na nag-volunteer kami kasi we want to help in a simple way in our own small ways.
So the experience is really fun to work with your workmates, and then for small things, natin alam that it's a big help for them, especially dun sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. So I encourage everyone also to join and volunteer our work here in Quantrix.
Dear community, I know the past few days were hard, and I hope that you and your family members are safe. Now, to help you a little bit with this situation, we have prepared over 400 packages to help you during this difficult time.
Hello for all. I just want to thank my company, Quantrix. Malaki pong tulong to para sa aming mga nabaha nitong Harina Typhoon. Marami pong salamat sa malasakit at saka pag-alala niyo po sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Quantrix, sa panigay niyo po at saka I appreciate po the effort. Thank you so much. At sa mga tumulong po sa pag-prepare. Thank you!
Thank you, Quantrix!
Thank you, community, and together we can get through this. Ingat!